Morning. I am at Mountain Creek solo for now. Couple of small extra lines that I wanted to hit today. So since there's no pressure of riding fast, I'm gonna try to check a few things off the list, such as hitting that boulder on the top of breakout instead of going around it. If I hit crapshoot, I'm gonna hit that left step down that I always roll. Those are the two main ones. And whatever extra things, and maybe I'll check out Upper Dominion. Got to see how it looks for the rest of the stuff. See you at the top.
Okay. First jump ain't so bad. Second jump is pretty big. All right, let's see. That rock. Here it goes. Man, that thing is sketchy. How do I hit that faster? I've been making myself hit that rock at breakout. Yeah, the one at the end before the berm. I've been hitting that rock instead. The big rock that you've been riding instead of going around the right on the berm. Yeah.
Finally fixed the berm at lower breakout, and it's running so fast in the straight sections, but it's so dry and dusty that I'm still not trusting the berm. So yeah, I'm slower than the rest of the guys. They definitely corner better than me.
Oh my god. Domboo. Man, legs are burning already. And I'm not even a full lap down yet. Okay, that part's completely blown out. Now that it's slow, I'm gonna look at this gap. So I have to go down here, and that's the gap. No, let me ride down here first. And then that's the gap. Oh, I gotta go fast. There's no way I'm gonna make this at this speed. It actually looks much bigger in person. Okay. At least I got to see it.
Wasn't sure about the landing on this, and that's why I didn't hit it. I recently actually saw someone attempt it, and crashed exactly how I thought it was possible to crash, and he got pretty messed up. So I'm riding with Dimitro today. He happens to be filming right behind me on his GoPro Hero 10 with his color profile. It was originally filmed at 60 frames per second, but I film at 30, so when I converted this video, it ends up being 30 frames per second. Now, 60 frames looked really slow but smooth, so now that at 30 frames, it actually looks like the normal riding speed. It's very rare that I have someone riding behind me that close, so I'm going to use as much of this footage as I can.
Running good today. Trail, it's running fast today. That was the least I ever had to pedal into it. I didn't even have to pedal into the third or the fourth one. I mean the second or the third one. Fucking water bars.
I swear the water bars have gotten bigger down Crapshoot, and I was actually brake checking on them, so especially watching back at the video, I definitely did not have enough speed to hit that step up.
Oh my god, I almost didn't make that one. Shit, still can't do it.
I chickened out over here, so I didn't check this off. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get past this.
That was a hard compression. That's 99. Whoops. Yeah. Wrong way. That's how little I know. I guess you end up leading now. That's the best line I ever took. Thanks. To the big jump at the bottom. Okay. Whoa, that was crazy. I pulled too hard on that one.
Okay, you good? Yeah, okay.
Let's go.
This section of Tempest is weird. Like, I'm trying to get more speed for these jumps, but the area to pump, you're going so fast into it that you're actually floating over them instead of being able to pump down on them. This is the awkward turn section towards the bottom, and that was actually the best I have ever taken it. I actually had to look 2 corners ahead to line them up, kind of. They smoothed out Lower Ripper, but it feels rougher even though they took out the small little rocks. Like, the larger transitions feels more like abrupt and harsher.
Yep. Alright. Upper Dominion. Gotta check it out. Jeff says the second jump is the biggest. Holy shit, that thing is huge. Alright. So, this is what...
Looking at the speed on Upper Dominion, I'm only hitting them at 15 miles per hour.
Oh my God,
and that's even slower than how I normally hit the jumps at Graham Hills.
Upper
I
Dominion
normally
is definitely
hit
way
at like
harder.
18 or most jumps. I think the reason why I was apprehensive, even though I got the tip from Jeff, is that they are very steep in person, and I don't know if I can handle the energy. But looking back, it looks like something that maybe I could eventually work my way up to clear. The conditions at Mountain Creek was so rough today. I was tired from the first lap on, and I ended up doing 10 laps. Man, I've never had such bad arm pump. It was just so fast and so choppy that day. Domboo was messed up today. I've never felt it this rough. I mean, like, that braking bump section down there on this turn, my bike was making sounds that I've never ever heard before.
God.
Like, I felt my fork flex here and felt like my hands were gonna get bounced off.
I'm just gonna go, I'm going blind. So, blind too.
Keep on the
seat. To me, this is the most bullshit blue trail.
I actually seeked out these tech trails without any peer pressure. I actually wanted to ride them.
The what? Oh yeah, this part is. I tried to bail and I couldn't bail in time. Let's see, is there an easier way down here?
I would have sworn the dismount looked a lot more graceful in my head.
Right is easier. That's the line, the right line, where you're at.
Yeah, normally I do ride the right line. But
My wheel got sucked into this hole. Hold on. So hug the roots on the right. Okay, I see it now. All right, so that's the line.
okay.
Yeah, it's actually smooth when you know the line. Just didn't know. I didn't know you had to hug the tree. I was just trying to go wide, which was obviously not the right way. Yeah, it was actually pretty smooth after that.
Yeah. If you don't touch brakes, actually, like.
Well, that's the video for now. It's kind of long, but
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So what is next?